Sometimes, Snapchat requires you to verify your email. Let's make sure you're all set. First, open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, select Settings from the menu by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down until you see Email and tap on it to edit your email address. Enter your email address, then tap Save to make sure it's saved correctly. Check your inbox for a verification email from Snapchat and click the link inside. Once you've clicked the link, your email will be verified. A confirmation message will pop up. And that's it. You successfully verified your email on Snapchat. Stay secure. If you didn't receive the email, make sure to check your spam folder. And remember, keeping your email verified helps protect your account. For further help, refer to the Snapchat support page if you encounter issues. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to verify your email on Snapchat.